Hey guys, so I made this tower defense game called Tutsian Defenders, and you can build towers to stop minions from reaching your base, and you win the game through advancing wave after wave. So I have 4 levels in which there are different monsters that are going to spawn, and there are different levels of difficulty. So the first level has an intro page where I describe the story of the game. So you're some explorer from Earth and you've landed on this planet, like crash landed, so you want you to fix your spaceship, but you need the help of the inhabitants of that planet. And in return, those inhabitants require you to protect them from these monsters. So you decide to build towers with your team. And these are the towers you can build on the bottom, so like the fire tower, the laser tower, and you have a booster tower, and basically the map is going to be a square map, but the path that the minions are going to take is the shortest path, so the minions can't walk over your towers, so you can actually turn it into a maze through building your towers in a smart way. So I have this cursor which shows me where I can place my towers, and I pick different types of towers. The interface displays my wave, like which wave I'm on, and I have my money. And if I click on a certain tower, it displays its information and shows its range. So I can sell the towers, and I'm trying to get the towers to be placed in such a way that they actually hit the monster, so they're in their range. So I press enter and I spawn the wave, and for example the first 2 minions are fast minions, and there's then a basic minion, and at the end of each wave I'm spawning a boss. And the way I'm spawning the waves is that it grabs the current wave, and there's a desired length that increases through each wave, so it's gonna spawn more and more monsters. And each time a wave is created, I store what I created and make sure it's going to be harder next time, and increase its health, sometimes increase their speed, and sometimes increase the number of enemies I spawn in a second. So they may come clustered, so it's harder to kill with a single target tower. And there's also the cool function where I can speed up my game. So if there's like a long wave, I can speed it up and it's gonna move at like 2 times faster. And for example, the frost tower that looks like a crystal can slow my targets, and I can upgrade my towers. As you can see, the top fire tower has been upgraded to level 2, so it has like a special image that's been attached to it. And I can have a menu restart, and I can also quit the game and go back to the main menu. So I can also play the level 2 right now, so it's on a different map, and there's going to be a different setup of minions. So the thing I just built was a booster tower, that's the colorful one, and it can boost the nearby towers and increase their damage. So that one's boosted, and I can upgrade that to increase the amount of boost, or I can upgrade the nearby towers so that nearby tower has a damage increase, which is going to be multiplied with the booster tower increase. And the main purpose of the game is to use the map smartly so that I just don't end up putting everything in the center, and I can make sure that everything goes well then.